Hello everyone, welcome back. Stop paying for Grok subscriptions. What if I told you that you could get the exact same high-end AI video model for $0 with no watermarks and no limits? In today's video, I'm showing you the Grok Killer, a tool called Comfy. While everyone else is paying $20 or $30 a month to generate short clips, I'm going to show you how to use Comfy Cloud to generate 15-second HD videos with cinematic lighting and synced dialogue for free. And here are some sample videos that I generated using this AI tool. So let's have a look.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I am so excited for today's episode. Grab your coffee and let's get into it.
Do you remember the first year we walked this trail? The trees were barely half this tall.
I remember. But the colors, I don't think the gold has ever been quite this bright. It's like the whole forest is catching fire.
Look,
just for us.
Isn't it an amazing result? So let's get started.
First of all, you have to go to Google and search for Comfy Cloud. And open the first link. There are two options. The first one is download for completely free, unlimited use without credits. And the second one is Comfy Cloud, which is web-based with a credit system. And for now, I will use Comfy Cloud to explain it to you. Click on this, and here we will have a limit, but we can use this also unlimitedly and completely free, using your different Google accounts. Now you have to log in with your Google account. Select your account and click on Continue. Okay, after login, this interface will appear on your screen. Now go to Templates and scroll down. You can choose to generate images or videos. Select Video. And here you can see different models, but I am going to pick the Grok model from here. Okay, now from here, zoom the screen. Now remove this default prompt and write your own prompts. For prompts, I am using Gemini. You can use ChatGPT or Claude also. Let's copy this prompt and simply paste your prompt in this text box. And from here, you can adjust the duration up to 15 seconds. But for now, let's set the time duration to 7 seconds and hit the Run button. The video typically takes about a minute to generate, so wait for a while. And here is the final result. The quality is really, really amazing. Here we have also the background sound, but I totally forgot to record the sound.
Now, remove this text, and let's try another prompt. And simply hits generate. So here is the result. Look at the quality. The background, each and everything looks perfect, and it looks very, very realistic. Okay, and from here, simply download your video. Let's try another prompt, and for this video, set the time duration to 10 seconds. Hit the Run button, and here is the result. Amazing result. Look at the clarity, the shadow, and focus on the leaf and the water drop is just perfect. And the background sound is also good. Now let's try the animation style video. Hit the Run button, wait for a while, and here is the result. This video quality is also really amazing. And here I want to clear one thing, that from here you can select the resolution of your choice and also select the aspect ratio from here. Alright, now let's create videos from images. So to animate an existing image, simply upload the image using the Upload button from here. Select your image. I want this lady to speak something, so that's why I wrote a dialogue in the prompt. You can see the prompt. And from below, for now I am setting the time duration to 15 seconds, just to show you that you can also make 15 seconds video, and hit the Run button.
And here's the result.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I am so excited for today's episode. Grab your coffee and let's get into it.
The video is just incredible. They follow the exact dialogues, no mistakes, and the expressions and the hand movements are also perfect. Amazing result. Now, again, follow the same method and upload your image and give your own custom prompt with dialogues. And you can also give the directions. Okay, so I wrote this prompt in which both the husband and wife are talking with each other. And simply click the run button. And here's the result.
Do you remember the first year we walked this trail? The trees were barely half this tall.
I remember. But the colors, I don't think the gold has ever been quite this bright. It's like the whole forest is catching fire. Just for us.
Do you remember the first year we walked?
Again, the result is super amazing. No mistakes, no issue with their movement. Look at their clothes, expressions, just amazing. And the background also looks clean and just perfect. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming videos.